So you're looking to lose weight and you've heard about intermittent fasting and the magical effects it can have on weight loss. We've clicked on the right video because today I'm going to explain exactly what you need to do in order to lose weight with intermittent fasting, including what you can actually consume within your fasting period. And at the end, I'm going to share with you the things that you absolutely under no circumstances should do, as they will destroy your chances of weight loss. Hey guys, Ben here from If Nutrition, and I specialise in helping busy guys over 30 lose the belly and gain muscle, all without being tied to the gym, eating food they hate, or doing mind-numbing cardio. So if that sounds like you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. So the fact that you're already here, I'm going to assume that you've already read about the multitude of benefits that you can get from intermittent fasting. So I'm going to stick to the fat loss side of things, and more specifically using the 16/8 style of intermittent fasting. This is where you fast for 16 hours of the day and you only eat within an 8-hour period within the day. Now, a common question I get is, what can I eat though when I'm in my 8-hour feeding window? And the answer is simply, you can eat what you were eating before, just you're effectively removing a meal. This is commonly breakfast, but for some people that like to have breakfast and lunch, they just remove dinner. How you build it is up to you. Just remember that you're only going to be eating within an 8-hour period of the day. For the remainder, you're going to be fasting. Now, I'm not saying that if you're trying intermittent fasting as you're currently gaining quite a lot of weight, that simply removing a meal will automatically make you lose weight. It likely won't, because you'll probably need to remove more food from other meals too, as you're gaining lots of weight. But if you're currently sat at and around the same weight and you simply want to lose some of it, then simply removing a meal a day will likely be enough to get you losing weight from the day that you start intermittent fasting. We have to remember here that intermittent fasting is not a magic process where you just eat whatever you want within 8 hours, and just because you fast for 16, you're automatically going to lose weight. You can still actually gain weight with intermittent fasting, so it's really important to get it right. Ultimately, weight loss is governed by one thing, and that is a calorie deficit. This simply means that you're consuming less calories a day than your body needs, so the remaining energy requirements are pulled from your body's own fat stores, meaning that you're going to use fat as fuel and then you're going to lose weight. To be clear, no calorie deficit, no weight loss. Now, as I said in the beginning, there are certain things that you absolutely must not do unless you want to absolutely destroy your intermittent fasting efforts and get no weight loss at all. And I find these commonly fit into two sections. One, consuming the wrong things in your fasted time and ruining your efforts. To be clear, you cannot consume anything that includes calories. So yeah, you can have coffee, but no sugar, no sweetener, no milk. You can drink teas as long as they don't include calories, and again, as long as you don't include milk. Also, fizzy water is a great option because it actually expands in your stomach, and this helps take the edge off any hunger you may get. 2, adding in extra calories into your eating window. To be clear, intermittent fasting helps you lose weight because you're cutting a meal out that contains calories. If you then add in extra portions or into your other meals, or you add in loads of extra snacks, then you're basically undoing the efforts of skipping a meal in the first place. So just make sure you're not adding calories back in, undoing all your hard work. So to get started on your intermittent fasting journey, it's simple. You just need to remove a meal. That's it. Then track your weight loss, and if you're not losing enough weight, just remove some food from each of your remaining meals, or remove some of the snacks until you are losing weight. Just remember guys, intermittent fasting works through putting you in a calorie deficit. It's the only way that we lose weight, so make sure you aren't adding those calories back in at other times of the day through snacking or extra portion sizes. As always, I hope you've taken massive value from this video. If you have, and you're looking to achieve your best body ever without having to live in the gym, eat food you hate, or do mind-numbing cardio, then click the link in the description of this video and download my free playbook that every guy over 30 needs to read. And I'll see you in the next video.